Hi, welcome everyone. So, in this series of videos, we are going to learn the programming concepts of ARM7. So, to program this, we need a software called as KEIL, which is an integrated development environment. So, in this video, we are going to learn how to install this KEIL IDE. Myself, Muhammad Ali, I am working as an assistant professor at Mysuru Royal Institute of Technology, Mandya. To install this KEIL IDE, so we'll download it from the KEIL website. So in my Google Chrome, so I will search for KEIL Microvision for download. So the very first link keil.com downloads. So I'll click on this KEIL downloads. So this page got opened and we'll select this product download. So here we have four options to download the different versions of ARM KEIL software. So that is, we'll download this MDK ARM. We'll click on this MDK ARM. So this is used for ARM Cortex devices and ARM devices. So once we click on this ARM MDK file, so it will ask for to give these some contact information. So once we give this, fill this contact information and will submit, it will give us the link to download this KEIL software. Right. So I have already downloaded my KEIL software and so we'll install it through that software. Right. So I will share this link in the description. So we'll double click on this MDK file. So it asks, do you want to allow this app to changes your device? We'll say yes. So it will open a setup wizard. We'll click on next and we'll check this. I agree to the terms and license. Next. So it will ask for to give the first name. So we can give any name. So I will write. Simply I will write A, B, C, D in all the boxes. So we'll click on next. So it will start installing this MDK ARM setup. So it will take few minutes to install this. So during installation, once it is file installation is completed, it will ask to check these things. So we'll check both the things and we'll select simulate hardware and we'll click on next. And we'll click on next also. Finish. So it will be installing this U-Link drivers that we need these drivers. Once the KEIL Microvision has been installed, so we can see that we have an icon on our desktop. So we'll open this KEIL Microvision 4 by double clicking on this icon. So for the first time, it will take some time to open this ID. So this KEIL ID is opened and we can say that our KEIL software has been successfully installed. So in the upcoming videos, we are going to see how to write the programs for ARM7. Thank you.